Good morning, students. This will be our next lesson on fraction, decimal, and percentage. And subtopic is adding and subtracting fractions. Objective, apply addition and subtraction to fraction with the same denominator. Solve problem by adding and subtracting fractions with different denominator. So this is what we want to look at today. All right, so let's get into it. Okay, if I have 4 upon 5 minus 2 upon 5, and I want to add these fractions, subtract these fractions, all I would do is just minus the numerator. 2 from 4 leave 2, and I will just carry back the denominator as 5 because they are the same. Likewise, if I'm adding, say I have 8, 5 upon 8 plus 3 upon 8, I can just add the numerator again. 5 plus 3 is 8, so that's 8 upon 8, which is equal to 1. Okay? Uh, but when it becomes difficult is when you have fractions with different denominators. So let's look at number 1. Simplify the following. So that is 3 upon 4 plus 2 upon 4, 2 upon 3. Now, in order to work out this, you can't just add the numerator to the numerator and the denominator to the denominator. That would be wrong. You have to first turn them into equivalent fraction and then add the numerator. You have to find what we call the LCD. Okay, find equivalent fraction of both. Okay, so the 4 and 3, you want a number that 4 and 3 can go into without leaving a remainder, the LCD. And that would be 12. So the 4 into 3, 4 into 12 goes 3 times, right? Then you multiply the 3 times in numerator. So 3 3s is 9. Okay. 3 into 12 goes 4 times, and you multiply by numerator. 2 4s are 8. Okay. That will equal to, okay, so now that they are inside the same denominator, you can just add the numerator. 9 plus 8 is 17. Okay. And you carry back your 12. So you have 12 pieces make one cake, and you have 17 pieces, so you have more than one cake. So you have one cake and 5 pieces remainder, so you put the 5 upon the 12. And that would have satisfied this math. Let's look at number 2. 11 upon 15. Okay. So the LCM for this one will be 15, because 5 can go into 15 and 15 can go into 15. So we're just going to write 15 at the bottom here, because we're not going to move it again, so we can just put it at the bottom. So it's going to become now 15 into itself goes 1 time, 11 is 11. So 5 into 15 goes 3 times. 3 times the numerator, that's 6. That's 3 2 6. Okay. So now we can subtract. that is going to equal to, when you subtract 6 from 15, 6 from 11, you get 5. That will be 5 upon 15. Okay, so we can just cancel this because 5 can go into 15 and 5 can go into itself. 5 into itself 1 time, and 5 into 15 goes 3 times. So the answer for this is a third, and that would satisfy that one. So let's look at this one. This one has some mixed number here. So this is number 3, and that would be 3 and 7 upon 8 plus 2 and 3 upon 4. Okay, so we're going to turn this into improper fraction or top heavy fraction before we can do anything. So 3 8's 24 and plus 7, that's 31 upon 8. Let's check back what we do. We multiply the whole number times the denominator, we get 24, then we add it to the 7, and we get 31. Okay, then we do the same thing over here. 2 4 is 8 plus 3, that's 11 upon 4. Now that they are in top of the fraction, we can just find the LCM, which is 8. Okay, so 8 into itself 1, 8 into itself 1, 1 times 31 is 31, plus 4 into 8 goes 2 times, 2 times 11 is 22. Okay, so when you add those, you're going to get 53 upon 8. The 8 into 53 goes 6 times, and remainder 5. That will be 5 upon 8. And that satisfies that. So look at number 4. So let's write it. Once again, we are going to turn this into a top-heavy fraction or a improper fraction. 5 4 is 20. You multiply the whole number times the denominator. You get 20, and then add it to the 3, so you get 23 upon 4 minus 10. 2 5 are 10. Multiply the whole number times the denominator, give you 10 and add it to the 4, that will be 14 upon 5. So now we want to find an LCM, and the LCM is 20. That's the smallest number that 4 and 5 can go into. That's 20. Okay, so 4 into 20 goes 5 times. 5 times 23 is 115 minus 5 into 20 goes 4 times. So that would equal to about 60 something. Let's check that. Times 4. 56. That will be 56. Let me write that properly. That's 56. Okay, so 150 minus 56 is equal to 59. That is going to equal to 59 upon 20. Okay, so 20 pieces make one cake, and you have more than one cake, so that 20 can go into 52 times. So that is going to equal to 2 and 19 upon 20. That is almost 3 cake, and that would have satisfied that one. Let's look at the next one, number 5. All right, we're going to do number 6 and close it off. You can do number 5 for yourself, but it's pretty much like how we do all of them. So we are doing number 6. So I'm just writing down the question here. So the first thing we're going to do is put them into improper fraction, as you already know. So 3 is 24, 24 and 7, that's 31. All upon 8 plus 4 7 is 28 and 3. 28 and 3, that's 31 as well. All upon 4. And minus 2 6 is 12. 2 multiply the 2 times the denominator. That's 12 and 1, 13. That's 13 upon 2. Okay? So these three numbers, what these three numbers can go into without leaving a remainder is 8. Can go into 8, so the LCM is 8. So this will be 8 into itself goes 1 time. 1 times 31 is 31. Okay. So 4 into 8 goes 2 times. 2 times 31 will give you 62. It's going to be plus 62. It is going to give you a 4 times. 2 into 8 goes 4 times. 4 times 13 is equal to 52. So going to be minus 52. Okay, so we can just add up and subtract these numbers now. So 31 and 62, that would be 90. 31 and 62, that's 93. 93. 93. That would be 41, would be the answer. Subtract 50 from 93, subtract 52 from 93, that would be 41. That would equal to 41 upon 8. Okay, so 8 into 41 was 5 times, remainder 1. And you put the 1 upon the 8, and that would have satisfied the math. Okay, this is the end of the lesson. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. And also, please remember to subscribe for more. Thank you very much for watching this video.